I am installing a whole house 22 kW standby generator. I have a 200 amp service. I have installed a 200 amp transfer switch. The generator requires an 8-foot run to the switch, which is right next to the meter, perhaps a 3-foot run. I can tie the original wires right into the transfer switch without splicing. What wire gauge sizes do I need for the short runs, with relatively low loss?
You would use a #XXXXX copper from the generator to the transfer switch. Although the generator says whole house, you are only switching the designated circuits less than 100 amps. The wire from the breaker can also be number 2 copper. Machinc 41619.02690388426. I bought 1X Cummins Onan 20 GSBB 6714A, 20 kilowatts home standby generator with cold weather kit, 20 GSBB 6714A, liftgate service. No, we can handle it ourselves. 1X Cummins Onan RSS 200-6635, 200 amp automatic transfer switch, RSS 200-6635. It is switching the full service, not selected circuits. I purchased number 4 at Home Depot. It is 19 strand, high temp wire, but was the biggest they carried. I have number 6 ground wire. I thought that, given the very short distance, it would be okay. I don't know if you are being conservative or not. I reference this guide for my 3-foot and 8-foot runs. If I must get larger, would number 3 be okay? Will number 2 fit in my 1/4 PVC? What size PVC do you recommend? I can go up to 2 inches. I can run it as I glue it up, since I have about 6 pieces to make up the 8-foot run, but I assume it needs some airspace. PVC is easy to return to Home Depot and exchange for larger wire I may have to save for another project. Thanks. Edit: generator has hole for 1/4 conduit access.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.